So you want to clear a wizard of the screen. That's what remove from parent does. Without it, your screen will stack up with UI every time you call create wizard. This is your cleanup group. And now, if you take execution pin and type in remove, you will not get this node. To get this node, you have to take an execution pin from the create wizard to type remove, and you will get the remove from parent. Or you can take the execution pin from the reference blueprint, reference variable that you create from the create wizard. For now, we're just going to do this, and I will take a delay of around 2 seconds. So every 2 seconds, the widget will be removed completely or cleared completely, and then it will be again created after 2 seconds, like this you will see on the screen. So it will be like it is appearing and disappearing, but it is not. It is completely removed and then create it again. So it is super essential when it comes to closing menu, dismissing notification, or cleaning up old HUDs when switching level. Without removing from parent, player end up with ghost UIs floating forever. So now when we press begin play, you will see after 2 seconds we have test, and then after 2 seconds it will remove from parent. Then again test when it's created, and it will be removed from parent. Let's make it a bit fast by reducing the delay to let's take it to 1 second, or zero point 0.5 will do, like this. And when we compile and press begin play, you will see it will keep flashing test again and again and again. What it's actually doing is it's removing it from the parent and creating it again every zero point 0.5 seconds. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.